Okay, well, because I'm not paying 500, and I don't feel like I should have a bail. I don't go to jail, ma'am. I have no record, so I don't see where you feel like I deserve to pay a bail.
And we are ready on Lavonda Simpson, Your Honor. This is 5A. This is 5A077963 here for Raymond. Is Lavonda Michelle Simpson your true and correct name? Ms. Simpson, is that your true and correct name?
Yes,
And your date of birth is February 17th, 1986?
yes.
Earlier, we discussed your right to arraignment. Did you have any questions about your right to arraignment that I was not able to answer?
And can
And
I
Your
ask
Honor,
a question? Who's this person named Kay? What does that person do?
that's one of the court clerks or one of the court employees.
The clerk, her name is Ruth.
Yes, and Ms. Kawasaki is also with the court.
And this name Cynthia, I'm not,
That's
who is she?
That's the prosecutor.
I'm not cool
And
with that.
the prosecutor gets to be part of this proceeding.
Who is she?
The person who's filed the charges in your case for the city of SeaTac. But
Yeah, I'm not, the reason I'm not cool
Ms.
with that name is I have this thing going on with a couple of different people, and that one of those names are involved in it.
Okay.
Like they've been tapping into like people's computer, and it's a program called MI. Have you heard of it?
I have not.
It's for mental something, and they've been tapping into like my phones, my computers, and everything. And they been getting me like kicked out, and this lady named I don't know if it's Molly, Holly, Bella, whatever her name is. She's been she works for the police station,
And
and it's just been a whole bunch of different things been going on. And
all right, Ms. Simpson, we're gonna proceed with the
okay, go
arraignment.
ahead.
Okay. And Your Honor, I understand that the court might have some concern. I don't see any other cases where it's been raised. At this time, we're just asking I've gone over the charge, I've gone over the penalties, we've acknowledged to the complaint, wait for a reading, ask them to plead not guilty.
If not guilty, will enter. I do find probable cause to detain. What is the city's recommendation regarding release?
I don't.
Down the amount of 500 cash or bond at conditions including no contact with the Motel 6 and SeaTac at the address listed. Do you see
I don't.
believe the defendant will
Why do you feel like I should be detained?
Hey, Ms. Simpson, this is not your time to talk. You need to be quiet. This is Ms. Chenweller's time to talk.
I want to go to court. I don't want to do video court.
Go ahead, Ms. Chenweller.
City does not believe the defendant will appear out of custody or comply with court orders or conditions. The defendant has 2 pending charges or counts.
No,
of
I do not.
or domestic violence out of King County District Court from October of this year. It appears that $1,000 bond was posted on that at the end of October. And now we have probable cause for this offense. And from the report, the defendant was just trespassed from that Motel 6 on December 3rd and 6th, and then returned on this date.
Mr. Ainani?
Your Honor, I know Ms. Simpson's hoping the court will release her. She's indicated she would show up for court out of custody. I did update her phone number and she can get text messages and would like it in the future if the court gets when it gets up and running. She does not have a good mailing address right now.
I looked at your warrant activity, Ms. Simmons. You've had 2 warrants this year alone. I think the first one was the filing amount, but then there were 2 failures to appear. I'm going to follow the city's recommendation and impose bail in the amount of $500. Additional conditions that you attend all future court appearances, have no new criminal law violations, update your address with the court in DOL immediately if there are any changes, use only your true legal name and date of birth, and have no contact with the Motel 6 at 18900 47th Avenue South in SeaTac. Do you believe you'll be posting the bond, ma'am?
I don't have money to post a bond, and I have to get a hold of my boyfriend and all that to post the bond. And what's the bond? $100? to get out?
But 500,
But if you go through a bail bond, it's 100.
you'll have to work that out with the bonding company.
Okay, well, because I'm not paying 500, and I don't feel like I should have a bail. I don't go to jail, ma'am. I have no record, so I don't see where you feel like I deserve to pay a bail.
Well, I'm looking at your history and that's not accurate.
Ma'am, I just started getting cases, and that's a false case. It's about to end.
You've had cases going back to
To what?
2003.
Ma'am, 2003, it's 2025, love.
Right, I'm saying your first case was in 2020.
The court don't even look at my cases like that. What are you talking about? 2003 from 2025? Are you serious?
Yeah, you just told me I have no history. I'm saying you have had history since 2003. I'm imposing bail in the amount of $500. We'll set this for an in-custody hearing on December 18th at 11. I will
wanna get started right now.
preliminarily, if you do post the bond, you will need to screen for the public defender if you wish to have them represent you.
You know why I don't trust you as a judge? Because I just told you that I'm getting harassed and I've been trying to deal with something. I will put you underneath detained for a CSI case that I'm about to have. I mean, not a CSI, but intelligent for phones and stuff. Because if you are a judge and you don't know about the MIB for mental illness, that means you're not really like you're not up on your game. Who doesn't know about that?
I'm sorry, but that's your opinion of me. We'll see you back here on Thursday. Thank you.
So I get out. Bye.
Not unless you post $500 bond.
I'm not paying no $500 bond.
Okay, then we'll see you on Thursday
No, why not tomorrow?
because I'm setting you for Thursday.
Okay, well, as soon as I figure out how to get bailed out of here, believe me, I'm coming for you and you, because I know who you are.
Are you threatening me? On the
No, I'm talking about that lady right there. She works with somebody that I'm not getting along with, and I'm keep on telling you that.
Are you threatening her?
No, I said when I say coming for you, that means I'll see you in court. I don't threaten people.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
Right. I don't want that judge.
All right. Thank you very much, everybody. See you tomorrow. Thank you, Ruth. Thank you, Kim.
Thank
I
you.
thought it was Catherine.
Thanks, Your Honor.
You keep on switching up people's names.